Hello and welcome to today's job circular. Today's job circular is about Dhaka Stock Exchange Limited. The circular is fully published in English, that's why I am telling this circular in English. The position is open for now is Executive Program ICT, Information and Communication Technology. So the required qualifications is BSc in Computer Science and Engineering, Computer Science, Software Engineering, Triple E, Telecom Engineering, or ICT from any reputed and higher ranked public, private, or foreign university. CGPA 5 in both SSC and HSC examinations or equivalent, and CGPA at least 3 on a 4-point scale in BSc level. Required technical knowledge and experience, fresh graduates can apply here. It's very well opportunity for them. Training, certifications, or experience on Windows Server, Linux OS, MS SQL, CCNA, VMware, PostgreSQL, SQL, CCNA, data server, Oracle, PHP, Java, etc. will get preference. Required personal competencies, effective interpersonal and communication skills, excellent analytical ability to take new challenges, etc. Age limit, age of the candidates shall not be above 30 years as on June 21st, 2021. Compensation package is very attractive, and the selection procedure is to apply through career.dse.com.bd colon 8016. I will give the website link in the description box below. Within June 21st, 2021. Please note that DSE is an equal opportunity employer with the HR strategy. Reward the best and be fair with the rest. So if you wish to apply here, please apply before the due date. And good luck to you and see you on the next job circular. Thanks for watching.